In this lesson, we want to explain crop tool. Every time we open photo in the software, by default, there is a tool to increase or decrease the size of the photo, as you can see. These points are in the margin, By clicking and dragging on them, as you can see, you can crop the photo. And hit Ctrl Z to going back. But the problem is that when you release the mouse, the cut is done and you cannot decide it anymore. But when you select the crop tool, you can see amount of the cut, then decide to cut, as you can see. And to execute the command, press the crop or cancel the crop. Okay, this is crop tool, very easy. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.